Hey guys, I'm Rich from NeoWin. Today we're unboxing Huawei's Gentle Monster smart glasses. So I have no idea what to expect from this product. I have never used smart glasses. I know that these are supposed to produce audio. I can listen to music on them. I know they have touch controls on the side. So this is something that's completely new for me, and I'm looking forward to something that's a little new. This is the style is called Smart Lang. I'm looking at the website and it looks like they have different sizes in the different styles. So hopefully this is the one that fits me. But yeah, so let's take a look at what we have here. By the way, really nice case that it comes in. Okay, so yeah, here, this is it. And there's sunglasses. Not sure how I feel about that because, I don't wear sunglasses all the time. But anyway, that's pretty cool. Yeah, I mean, that works. They're nice. Like I said, that's the Smart Lang one. Now, personally, if I purchased one of these, I'd probably buy the just regular glasses, because the thing about it is, I mean, if I'm gonna wear them, I'd probably want to wear them frequently enough to where I'd I'll wear them at night maybe sometimes. I do know some people that wear sunglasses at night. I am not one of them. So I was kind of hoping maybe they'd come with like replaceable lenses where you could swap them out for sunglasses, but that does not seem to be the case. Got safety information, warranty cards. Really looking for like a quick start guide. Here we go. All right, so I had to plug those in and just press the button on the back to pair it. And sure enough, I'm getting a little tutorial on my Mate 40 Pro to just say what I can do with them, media controls, play, pause. So basically, it's beaming audio into your head, right? Okay, so set up, 68% battery. So you could turn on contact sharing there, updates. See, firmware update. So I don't know that. Oh, there is an update, 2.34 megabytes. So the specs of this, obviously not a whole lot of. There's not a whole lot of RAM or storage or anything because there's nothing local going on here. But one thing that I have to look into is support for other devices. I immediately went to the Huawei Mate 40 Pro because that's the one that I knew it would work with. It pairs through Bluetooth, so I assume you could use it with anything. But at the same time, like if you pair it with an iPhone, you're not going to get whatever this firmware update is, which improves Bluetooth connection stability, optimizes system compatibility, improves playback quality, and increases the responsiveness of automatic wear detection. So that's a thing, right? By the way, regarding other devices, there is a QR code here that you can use to install an app on your phone. Now, I tried to do that with an iPhone, and sadly, it's not available in my region. Obviously, that's a much easier problem to solve on Android because you can easily sideload an app on Android. But it is what it is. So mainly I want to talk to you about what's in the box. I can't do too much in the way of impressions. And the thing is, the thing we're going to want to focus on here is style, right? And I've talked about this a lot when I've reviewed smartwatches. I've reviewed many smartwatches, no smart glasses. But the thing that's similar about the two of them is that style is probably the #1 feature for anybody that uses one. Because remember, like with a smartwatch, you have to be comfortable with wearing one on your wrist. And so the same thing goes with smart glasses. You have to be comfortable with putting it on your face. So, you can take a look. And so really, you just kind of have to decide if this looks appealing to you. And there are several styles. This one's called Smart Lang. Like I said, there's Smart Mima, Smart Havana, and Smart Kubo. So there are a bunch, and you could pick the one that you like. So I could start peeling some of the plastic off here. There's plenty, but Yeah. And if you're wondering how it charges, it does not charge. There's no charging port on the device. It charges through the case here, actually. And there's a little light right under the Huawei logo there, and that's green when it's charged. And then you have a charging port on the back. Okay, so what you do, you just charge it. You lay the glasses in here like so, and I can... This is kind of top heavy, and like this, it really just feels like padding up here. But anyway, so you just stick them in there like so, and they're just going to charge while it's in there, and the charger's connected. I don't believe that the case has its own battery, so the cable does have to be connected when you use it. And then underneath that charging cable, you have the pairing button. And of course, you use that. I think you hold it down for about 3 seconds to pair, 8 seconds to factory reset, and the glasses do need to be in the case when you use that function. All right, I've finally gotten all of the plastic film off the side, and there you have it. Okay, so like I said, these are sunglasses, so it kind of limits how often you can use them. So, got some speakers over here, I guess. It's a nice product. So just looking at their website, it looks like you can actually pinch the frame to pair it with the new device, which is pretty cool. You can double tap for voice control. Is that going to work? I mean, it's paired with the Huawei phone, so it's not like it has Google Assistant or anything. Swipe-based audio control, so that's good stuff. Talks about crystal clear audio delivery. The semi-open speaker soars to new heights with regard to both sound level and clarity. Thanks to a 128 square millimeter large diaphragm, the iRig can produce waves of pulsating sound that astound without end. And all right, I'm going to read this. A sparkling new acoustic system minimizes the presence of audio leakage via inverse sound waves, ensuring that conversations remain private even in quiet environments. So that's another thing that's interesting, right? So it is making noise, but it's also supposed to be, private. The audio is not supposed to leak out of it. So I've never used anything like this, like I've said many times. So, I'm just going to say I'm going to have a review on this soon. Stay tuned. I'm Rich from NeoWin. Have a great night.